Hello everyone, I am Priya Gulati. Welcome to my channel Priya Gulati Maths. If you like my this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to take chapter coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 question number 9. If q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6, find the values of x. Also find the distances qr and pr. Now let us draw the figure of this question. It is given that there is one point q coordinate 0, 1. Its distance from point P and R. This is point P with this coordinate and point R with coordinate x, 6. It is given that point Q is equidistant from point P and point R. Equidistance means that point Q distance from P and point Q distance from R are equal, means QP distance is equal to QR. So I can write according to question QP equals to QR. Then you have to find the values of X. So let us find the values of X first. So QP equals to QR में first you will be using the distance formula. So for QP what I will use, look at this coordinate Q, this is coordinate P. So QP में this will be representing x1 comma y1, P point is representing x2 comma y2. So what is your distance formula? It is like this. I think you must already be familiar with this formula. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So for QP I am using this formula. So x2 minus x1 whole square will be how much for this? 5 minus 0 whole square. So 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be minus 3 minus 1 whole square, and this is square root, equals to, again use the distance formula for QR. So I'm using this same distance formula, square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now come to point Q and R. So for distance QR, point Q is x1 comma y1 and point R is x2 comma y2. So what will be your x2 minus x1 whole square? It will be like this, x minus 0 whole square. So I write down square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be 6 minus 1 whole square. So 6 minus 1 whole square, and this is square root. So I have made use of this distance formula for both the sides. What next step may, this 5 minus 0 square will give you 25, minus 3 minus 1 whole square means minus 4 whole square, which gives you 16. Come to the right side, x minus 0 whole square, x square, 6 minus 1 whole square means 5 square, gives you 25, and both the sides you have square root. Add these two, square root 41, this will be square root x square plus 25. Now in this, what you notice, both the sides there is a square root sign. The terms, they are completely inside the square root sign. So in order to remove this square root sign, what I will do, I will do the squaring of both sides. So when I do the squaring of this side and this side, the square root sign will get removed. So square root of 41 after doing the power 2 will get 41, and this side the square root removes, you get x square plus 25. So this squaring is necessary to do in order to remove the square root sign. So now I can make the equation simple. Bring this 25 on the left side. So 41 minus 25 gives you x square. Subtract it, 16 equals to x square. So x will be square root of 16. So if you take the square root 16, you will have to take both the signs with plus 4 and with minus 4. So combiningly, how will I write? X equals to plus minus 4. So this was your first answer. It was required to find the value of x. This is your first answer. Now the next part of the question is find the distance QR and PR. So let us do the distance, solve for the distance QR. So for that I have to write the coordinates of point Q and R. So point Q is 0, 1. Now look at the coordinate R. The coordinate R will have two types of combination. One I take with 4 plus 4 comma 6, and second R will be with negative sign, so minus 4 comma 6. Q will remain same for both the pairs. So Q 0, 1, R 4, 6. First I will find distance QR making use of these two coordinates, and second distance I will find out by making use of these two coordinates. Right. So let us come to the next step. So this will be like this. I am drawing the figure again on this page just to make the question more convenient to understand. This was your Q point 0, 1, P point 5, minus 3, and point R, because we have calculated two values of R. So coordinate r can be either 4 comma 6 or it can be minus 4 comma 6. Now I have to calculate the distance qr. Qr distance may you need the coordinates. Q is 0 comma 1, so I write q point is 0 comma 1, and for the r point first I consider 4 comma 6 coordinates. So q 0 comma 1 and r is 4 comma 6. For this distance apply the distance formula. I am using x2 minus x1. Look at this formula I am making use of. You can use either way, but for this qr I am using square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So let us come to this distance. This is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So apply this formula. X2 minus x1 whole square will be 4 minus 0 whole square. So 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be 6 minus 1 whole square. So this is like this, and square root. Next step may this is simply calculation. This will become 4 square. This will give you 5 square. Just square them, you'll get root 16 plus 25, which gives you root 41. So distance QR is root 41. This is your one answer. This distance I have obtained by considering the coordinate r with plus 4 comma 6. Now let us consider the coordinate of r as minus 4 comma 6 and q will remain same 0 comma 1. We will calculate again this distance qr. So if q is 0 comma 1 and r is minus 4 comma 6, I will find the distance qr again by making use of these two coordinates. So distance qr, again which formula? Distance formula we will making use of. This is, you have to remember, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us come to these 2 points. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. You can look in the figure also. This is x1 comma y1 and this is, I'm taking negative wala, so this is x2 comma y2. Or you can look from here also. Q is x1 comma y1. R is x2 comma y2. So use this formula. X2 minus x1 whole square will be minus 4 minus 0 whole square, right? Plus y2 minus y1 whole square will be 6 minus 1 whole square. And this is of course square root. Now come to the calculation part. Square root minus 4 minus 0 whole square will give you minus 4 whole square and this will give you 5 square. So next step it will be 16 plus 25, which gives you root 41. So distance QR is root 41. So what do you notice? This is your answer. What do you notice? If I calculate the distance QR with 4 comma 6 coordinate, I get root 41. If I calculate distance QR with minus 4 comma 6 r coordinate, again I'm getting the same answer 41. So the final answer for distance QR will be like this, root 41, right? This was for your QR distance. Next part may it is asked, you have to calculate the distance PR. This is your distance PR. So again for calculating the distance PR, I will consider P point and R point. So P point में 5 comma minus 3, R point is 4 comma 6. So P 5 comma minus 6 and 5 comma minus 3 and R is 4 comma 6. This is one pair of coordinate. Second pair में I will keep this as it is 5 comma minus 3 and I will consider this second coordinate of R. This will be minus 4 comma 6. So first I will calculate the distance PR by making use of these two coordinates. Combination, there are two combination. So for first let us see for this part. So if I take P as this point and R is this point, then I have to calculate PR distance. So for this again look at the distance formula. In this case I am using this type of the distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You can use either way, but for finding this distance I am using this one. I am finding this one more convenient. So square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square I am using. So now come to this point P and point R. This is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. So what is your x1 minus x2 whole square will be like this, 5 minus 4 whole square. So this is 5 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square will be minus 3 minus 6 whole square. So minus 3 minus 6 whole square and this is square root. So with the help of this formula I have got this distance PR. Next step में this is calculation. 5 minus 1 whole square 1 square plus this gives you minus 9 square. So this gives you square root 1 plus 81. This next step में PR will come out to be square root of 82. So this is your another answer. PR distance. This I have calculated by taking the R point as 4, 6. Now PR distance I will calculate by considering these two coordinates. So next step, next PR distance will be, again the formula will be same. This formula I am using for distance PR, square root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So let us keep it here. You'll be able to see the figure also. So let us come to these 2 points, this and this. So this is your x1 comma y1 and this is your x2 comma y2. So substitute the values in this formula. This is your formula I'm using. X1 minus x2 whole square will be 5 minus minus 4 whole square. So how I write? 5 minus small bracket minus 4, close the bracket, whole square, plus y1 minus y2 whole square minus 3 minus 6 whole square. So minus 3 minus 6 whole square, right? So rest is calculation. Next step में this will become 5 minus into minus gives you plus. So 5 plus 4 whole square and this will give you minus 9 whole square. And what you will get next step में 5 plus 4 whole square will be 9 square and this will give you 81. So this gives you 9 square plus 81 square root of 81 plus 81 which gives you square root of 162. अब उसको factorize करेंगे तो 81 into 2 we will get 81 into 2 square root of 81 is 9. So 9 I can take out the outside the bracket. So this will be 9 root 2. So this is another answer for PR. So you are getting two answers for PR. One is root 82. Another answer is 9 root 2. So how many answers you are left with? This was for your QR and one more answer which we had on the previous page. So this is how your question is done. Bye bye.